Doesn't get much better than this. And next to my hand. Super fat one. Good morning, everyone. We pretty successful. Got a few menpachi this morning and just making our way out, beating this sunrise and enjoying it on the way out. Really bad timing to lose your D-AHI right during bait time, but there's not really any bait around anyway. Oh, look at those clouds. Stratus clouds. They're crazy. There's no bait to be found. And I gotta retie D-AHI because of that stupid Tavalera. Always a relief to get those first few in the kayak, especially when the bait's late, the bite is late, and it's summertime and there's not that many of them. Probably slightly in and slightly that way. No, it was pretty thick, but it was fast though. I was right around close to here when I saw that school. It was a fast school though, but they're big.
Okay, you guys got some?
I got like 4, but one is a pretty busted mouth.
Okay, oh, right on. At least you got some bait, Joe. It's good.
Boys.
Where you want me to go?
Nah, no worries. Just wherever. The drift is picking up a little to the west though.
Yeah.
I was catching them as I was drifting this way.
Better I go up current again?
Yeah, I think so. And then we'll just drift back down over them again. I kind of drifted right down that 170 to 180 line and they were kind of scattered and littered around there. I see them again right now. My.
Yeah, my.
Yeah.
There is all my. I thought I see something. Oh, yeah. The air show, let's go.
Oh, frick, it came off.
How about you, Dev? You have plenty of life over here.
Yeah, it's choke pelagics. Do you have any bait? I got enough for you.
Okay. Just give me maybe like one then for now. Just want to start fishing.
Some of them are big though. You got stinger hook.
So funny, my day bait I get out is huge too. You have, Lauren. I stand right next to Dev.
Sure you get it? Some of these are big.
Yeah, I get plenty of marks on all big marks. Oh, thanks, bud.
There's no
oh,
puka there.
Yeah, young puka right now. You know what? Let's go. Yeah, just drop it right now. Oh,
this
God,
one's good
monsters,
size.
bro.
This one is huge, though.
Yeah.
You like this one too?
No. Keep it going. That's good. Two is good.
I'll go grab some more.
Yeah,
I'll give you some more later.
Good. Only one I want, actually. You like keep that or no?
No, that's good.
Oh, thank you, bud. And what, that mahi came off?
Yeah, right when one jumped by you, he came off.
Oh,
It's all right. She seemed so calm and docile out there. I was filming her underwater until she flipped out, and I looked at the underwater footage and later on realized why she flipped out.
I thought it was a Mongo first. Oh, it's right there.
Notice I said he. What I thought was one shark was probably more like 7 or 8. And yet I'm over here sticking my hand in like a dumbass.
It's right under my kayak. See how many fish you can catch on this one hook. The same hook from last time.
Oh, well that took a total of 24 seconds to hook up.
Oh, it's up again. Nope. duck. He's all blue. I can't see if there's a shark chasing him or not. I might assume so because we started running hard just now. Too much glare. Whoa! Oh crap! Oh, okay. I just watched the shark chasing him. Big ass shark. The shark. I'm just letting him run right now. Good size on you? It's a little bull. Oh no, 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 no! Damn the shark!
Slightly different angle, but that's where that Insta picture came from.
Ah! I think he's eating them. Pretty sure he's getting swarmed right now.
Fatality.
Oh, there's a shark right there. Oh no. Ah. Freaking saw him too. Son of a gun. Let's move east and try to get away from some of these sharks. I don't want to drop another bait into this area.
I just put that down too. Saw a lot of marks down there. Nice uku.
Add something, David.
Shit. Saw a shark down there. Sorry, there's a shark around. I was trying to land an uku.
Okay, thanks.
Not a massive uku, but very respectable size. Always delicious eating. Saw that shark lurking around back there, so I didn't want to take too many chances. But yeah, nice fish.
If I think I see you, I'll come to you. I just got a I can't steer away.
Roger.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.